Hey, this is Ken. I got a great train yard in Nashville for you to check out. But first, I wanted to thank my buddy Tony Fox for winning the brownie brittle and sending me an awesome thank you video. I will put that video at the end of this video, and you should be on the lookout for stuff I have hidden in videos because there's 3 other active contests going on right now that are hidden that nobody's found yet. It's probably a good idea to watch all the way to the end of my videos because I like to hide things in there. I mean, you never know. It could be at the end of a video. It could be something that flashes on the screen in one frame. What was that? What was, do you see that? Anyway, thanks a lot, Tony, for the video. And now, my video. Enjoy. Hey, everybody. We're going to show you something pretty attractive. Yeah. This is a special training film. They don't get it yet because they don't see what we're going to video.
Correct.
But when you see, it's going to be so hilarious. Or not. Here we go. See what I meant? You see? See how funny it is now? It's a training film. Get it? Because there's trains, Dana. Do you think they're laughing, buddy?
I think I hear channel switching.
No, don't do it. Don't switch the channel. Tell everybody where we are and what this is.
Well, we're somewhere right in the heart of Nashville, Tennessee. And it looks like some large train yard to me. I've seen it for years and never known what it's called or.
Wow, it's called awesome. Look at that,
Look at that coming together like that.
All
Hey,
in
there
like
goes
one. There goes one right there. I wonder what they're doing. That one went that way and that one went the other way. What are they doing? Are they?
Furthermore, where are they coming from?
Yeah. This is pretty interesting. I think I'm going to turn around now
I think it's a good plan.
so we can get the scope of this thing. Look at that. That is fantastic. This was Dana's idea to film this.
That's why it's so fantastic.
That's why. Look at this. I'm going to go up a little higher. Wow. I mean, that's real nice. Hello?
Testing.
You know what? This is probably going to cause a spike in my viewership. Get it? Train spike? Anyone? Oh, no? Oh.
You know, I used to use train spikes to hold my tent up.
Is that right?
I did, seriously.
Wow, this is impressive.
Nothing but the best for the Ken viewers.
No kidding. I'm going to try to go in low. Coming back.
You heard it here first, friends. He's coming back.
by that greenhouse thing.
We're right there on that corner.
Hey, Dana,
Yes.
should I fly under that bridge?
Oh my gosh.
Should I do it?
Dude.
Yes or no?
I am not making that call. No way.
Is there any wires?
Dude, that's like, dude, man, that's,
I think there's too many wires.
I do too. Don't do it.
I'm doing it.
Don't do it, man.
I'm doing it.
It'll ruin a good day.
You're right. I'm not doing it.
It'll ruin a good day.
Sorry, everybody. Ain't doing it. Well, Dana, that was a lot of fun,
It was a lot of fun.
but I'm a bit tied.
You are
As in railroad tied. Too far? Too much?
much of a stretch, yeah.
Hope you're all punned out. That's all I got.
That's it? That's all you got?
That's all I got, man.